So, you're thinking about buying a home. There are a lot of people involved in the home buying process you should be familiar with. Real estate agents, lenders, inspectors, and escrow will all play a role in your home purchase. So let's talk a little about what these people do. You're going to want to find a real estate agent who is a realtor, because not all agents are. Realtors have a higher standard they are required to follow. Your realtor is going to research the right properties for you, run down appointments and showings, negotiate prices and contract terms, and take the time to answer any questions you may have. As a buyer, you'll want to have a different agent than the one who represents seller. With your own representation, you'll know your realtor is working specifically for your interests. The great part for the buyer is the seller pays the commissions for both agents. That means you as a buyer pay nothing to your agent. Next, you'll want to contact the lender. Lenders can be banks, mortgage companies, and credit unions, and your realtor can give a few recommendations if you need them. The lender is going to ask you about your employment, your assets, and your income. And once you put together an application, they will work on getting your loan approved and getting you a pre-approval letter so you can then start house hunting. Once you and your realtor have found the perfect home for you and you make an offer, it's then time for you to hire an inspector. The inspector checks the exterior and interior of the home and will provide you with a written report on the home's condition. You can then decide if you want to ask the seller to make repairs and/or reduce the listing price to make up for any issues the inspector finds. Working in the background, we have escrow and title. The title companies do research to ensure the home's ownership can be legally transferred to you, and escrow manages the closing process according to your contract. They coordinate getting your down payment money and the bank's money safely to the seller, as well as getting you the legal title to the home. So that's just a quick introduction to all of the people involved in helping you buy a home. You'll certainly want to learn more, and remember, your realtor is the first point of contact for any questions you may have. We pride ourselves in going above and beyond the call of duty for our clients, so please don't hesitate to ask us for help with anything you need. The buying process can be complex. Now, we hope this video has helped explain it a little more. Please call, text, or email us anytime, and we look forward to helping you find the perfect home.